First, insert a large circle. Next, add a second circle that is smaller than the first one. After that, insert a third circle, smaller than the previous two. Apply different colors to each circle so they are easy to distinguish. Now insert a thin rectangle and rotate it to 180 degrees. Duplicate the rectangle and rotate the copies to 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 135 degrees. Select all the shapes then use the fragment option to break them into the required sections. Now press Ctrl and select these two parts of each fragments. After fragmenting, apply gradient colors to each shape to enhance the visual appeal. Next, insert one more circle in the center and add the text Infographic Design inside it. Now add the relevant data to each section. Insert suitable icons for each part, and then number the data points for better clarity. After that, group all the shapes together, except the inner circle and the infographic text. Finally, apply position animations to the design to create smooth and engaging transitions. To do so, just duplicate the slides and rotate the whole design once. Repeat the process until the last shape is done. Finally, select all the slides and apply Morph transition to them. For a better outlook, you can give a darker background. Hola, your stunning circular presentation is ready.